Vicki from Minerva. In today's video I'm here to share with you my top fabric picks for the Minerva Exclusive Patterns Poppy Dress. So before we get stuck into the fabrics, let's just take a look at the pattern itself. So I'll insert an image here so you can see as I'm chatting about it. So the Poppy Dress, it's breezy yet refined. It brings a touch of vintage charm with modern versatility. So it's a button front design. It has a soft A-line shape and a delicate flounced ruffles, armhole ruffles, which create a look that's both polished and relaxed. It's designed for light to medium weight woven fabrics, things like cotton poplin, linen, viscose challis, crepe, and Poppy offers fluid movement while maintaining a beautifully structured fit. The V neckline that sits just above the bust, and the optional belt tie allows you to cinch it in at the waist, or you can wear it loose for a more relaxed silhouette as well. It's got carefully placed details to elevate this pattern. So from the shoulder gathers that add softness to a self-lined yoke that ensures a very smooth finish. It has side bust darts and gentle gathers above the bust, which provide a beautiful shape, while functional patch pockets, they add practicality. So the generous A-line skirt that falls just past the calves, enhancing its graceful kind of drape. And whether it's styled for a casual afternoon or an elevated evening look, the Poppy Dress blends comfort with thoughtful design for a piece that moves with you throughout the day. So it's one of those patterns that can be dressed up, can be dressed down for a more casual look, and I think a lot of that it depends on how you style it, but also it depends on the fabric choice as well. So I've got quite a range of different fabrics to share with you today, all different fibres, different base cloths, so there's lots and lots of different choice, and my intention in these videos is always to give you lots of different options, so that it really sort of makes you sort of think about different base cloths you can use, because there is such a wide choice for the Poppy Dress. So let's get stuck in. So the first fabric I've got to share with you, so this is our Minerva Exclusive Viscose Challis fabric. It's 100% viscose, 120 grams per square metre, and this particular design is called Bubble Light. It's one of our best-selling prints, but it comes in hundreds and hundreds of different prints for you to be able to choose from on the website as well. And we also do a Minerva Core range viscose challis as well, so if you want just a plain solid fabric in a viscose challis, we do have that available on the website as well. So this one, like I say, it's a light to medium weight fabric. You can see just how soft and fluid it is and just how much drape that has. So that's going to mean that the details on the Poppy Dress, like those those flounces at the shoulders, and just the softness of that A-line skirt, is just going to hang really softly, and it's going to feel beautifully soft against your skin and just swish and waft a little as you walk. Yeah, it's a really beautiful choice for the Poppy Dress. Next up, I've got a similar sort of fabric. This one is our Minerva Core range Bamboo Poplin. So this is made from 100% bamboo fibres. It's approximately 135 grams per square metre, which is light to medium weight. So you can see with this one, it has a very kind of similar fluidity movement as the viscose challis, but it's actually made from 100% bamboo, and the softness of this fabric is absolutely incredible. It feels beautiful. So yeah, just another alternative for a very soft, fluid fabric with lots of movement for the Poppy Dress. And with that being a core range, it does come in a whole range of colourways as well. The next fabric I've got, so this is our Minerva Exclusive range. This is our Moroccan crepe fabric. So this is just one example of crepe fabric, but crepe, with lots of different ones on the website, crepe is a really good option for the Poppy Dress. Again, for creating a soft silhouette with those, draping flounces and that A-line skirt. So our Moroccan crepe is made from 100% polyester. It's 130 grams per square metre, which is light to medium weight. This particular design is called Feline Fine, I absolutely love this design with little cats on it. It's really cute, quite subtle, you know, with it being predominantly black, but then just those little cats in there. It's like a little surprise in the fabric. But again, you know, with this being a Minerva exclusive base cloth, we've hundreds of prints for you to choose from on the website, and we do actually do a core range of Moroccan crepe, you know, in plain colours as well. So this one, you know, so this is a synthetic fibre, so you know it's not going to crease like the natural fibres, but it isn't as breathable as well. So just depending on your particular you know, preferences, you know, we've got both options there. But yeah, this is a really lovely one. You know, lots of softness and drape, that ever so slight crinkly texture that you get with a Moroccan crepe fabric, and yeah, just a lovely choice for the poppy dress. Next up, so this is another Minerva exclusive. This is our linen and viscose blend, which is one of our most popular base cloths in the Minerva exclusive collection. So it's made from a blend of linen and viscose, and it's 180 grams per square metre, which is medium weight. This one, this particular print is called Candy Confetti, but again, we've, you know, lots of prints for you to choose from on the website. Now this one has a little bit more structure and a little bit more body and weight than the last ones we've looked at, but it's still beautiful, you know, it has a beautiful drape as well because of that viscose content. So I mean, I think this will be fabulous for the poppy dress. It's going to hold the shape of that A-line and those flounces just a little bit more than those earlier options, but it's still going to have a softness and fluidity to it as well. And yeah, it'd be lovely and breathable with it being made from natural fibres, and you get obviously that classic linen-y, well, slubby textured weave that you get from a linen fabric. So yeah, that one's absolutely beautiful. Next up, we've got our cotton sateen fabric. So this is another Minerva exclusive cotton sateen. It's made from 100% cotton. It's 115 grams per square metre, which is light to medium weight. This particular design is called Expressive Butterflies, but again, you know, we've got hundreds and hundreds of prints for you to choose from. And this is a sateen weave, 100% cotton fabric. So sateen is not the same as satin, even though they often get mixed up. Sateen is the type of weave, and what that means is it's not a shiny fabric like satin, but it does have a very lustrous finish, and it's a very tight weave, which just gives it, you know, the quality of it is absolutely beautiful. It feels very, very soft and almost silky. And yeah, again, it will be absolutely fabulous for the poppy. Has a little bit more structure and body again than those first few very soft drapey ones I showed you. Absolutely perfect for the poppy dress. Yeah, really, really, just it feels so silky and soft in your hands, that one. Next up, I've got our Minerva exclusive Supima cotton lawn fabric. So this is 100% cotton, 78 grams per square metre, which is lightweight. This particular design is called Verdant Ferns, but again, we have hundreds of different prints to choose from, and we do also do Minerva core ranges in plain cotton lawn as well. So our Supima cotton lawn is fabulous quality. It is the best quality cotton lawn you can get. It's so finely woven, so soft and silky. I mean, it just feels absolutely beautiful to handle. And yeah, this is a lightweight fabric. So if you did choose, you know, a print with a white background or a very, very pale pastel coloured background, then you may want to line it or just wear a slip underneath. If you're choosing something, you know, more a brighter or a darker colourway like this one, then in my opinion you wouldn't need to line that at all, but you know, that is personal preference. So it is going to make a much lighter feeling poppy dress. So perhaps something that's, you know, you would like to wear on a summer holiday, you know, when it's particularly hot and you just need something really light and cool and breathable, this could be a really lovely option. Next, we're going slightly heavier and slightly more crisp and structured with the next few fabrics I'm going to show you. And equally, they suit the poppy dress as well. But what a slightly more crisp and structured fabric is going to do versus a very soft and drapey fabric is those flounces on the sleeves will sit a little bit more proud, so they won't flop and drape as much, you know, they'll stand up a little bit more, and you know, it will hold the shape of that A-line just a little bit more. So yeah, all are absolutely ideal for the poppy. They'll just give a slightly different look and feel. So this first one I've got is actually a gingham fabric. So this is our Minerva core range, 3/8 of an inch gingham check yarn dyed cotton chambray fabric. So quite a mouthful, that one, quite a bit to unpick. It's 100% cotton and approximately 115 grams per square metre, which is light to medium weight. Yeah, so it's a gingham cotton chambray fabric. So made from 100% cotton, so you can see, you know, it has a little bit more structure and body to it and crispness than those earlier fabrics, but still beautifully soft and lightweight and perfect for the poppy dress. And this one is actually a yarn dyed check, which means the check isn't printing on the fabric, it's woven into the fabric, and the yarns are pre-dyed before weaving. And it's just a sign of a beautiful quality gingham. You know, you know that the check is going to be on the grain line, and yeah, it just feels absolutely beautiful. And the size of check on this one is approximately 3/8 of an inch, but we do smaller checks, larger checks as well, and we do have all different colours in this particular range as well. So yeah, you've lots to choose from on that. Could even maybe have fun, you know, maybe doing the flounce and maybe the band in a different size check to the main garment, something like that. Maybe the patch pockets and the belt as well. I think that could be a really fun detail. Next up, we've got another Minerva Exclusive base cloth. So this one is our stone wash textured cotton. So it's 100% cotton, it's 155 grams per square metre, which puts it in our medium weight category. This particular design, which I think is beautiful, is called Pressed Flowers. Really stunning, very kind of delicate, rich, floral and leafy kind of print design. But again, it comes in, you know, hundreds of prints on our website. And this one, so it's 100% cotton, but it has a textured stone washed sort of textured finish to it, which is created with a wash treatment. And you can see, hopefully, as I handle that, just how soft that fabric is. It's beautiful. So you do still get the body and yeah, the body and weight from a 100% cotton fabric, but that washed finish to it and that slight surface texture just give it a very natural, lived in, relaxed kind of vibe. And yeah, I think that would be a stunning base cloth for the poppy dress. That's probably one of my favourites, I think. Next up, we have our Minerva Exclusive Cotton Poplin. Now, of course, we do cotton poplin in our core ranges here at Minerva in every colour of the rainbow you can imagine. But we also do, you know, our Minerva Exclusive range as well, which comes in lots and lots of prints. So you have loads of choice when it comes to cotton poplin. So this particular one, it's 100% cotton, 115 grams per square metre, which is light to medium weight. This particular design is called Layered Blooms, which I think is so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? And yeah, it's a poplin is a very finely woven, smooth surface texture, crisp kind of cotton. So we're definitely going a little bit more crisp now, which hopefully you can see as I'm sort of holding that fabric up. But still, you know, it's the perfect weight for the poppy dress. Just a little bit more crisp and structured, meaning it'll hold the flounce on the shoulders and, you know, hold the shape of that A-line beautifully. Next up, we have a cotton chambray fabric. So this is our Minerva Core range washed cotton chambray. It's 100% cotton. This is 125 grams per square metre, which is light to medium weight. It comes in 4 different colours, this one. So different shades of blue and like a charcoaly grey colour as well. And yeah, it's your classic, beautiful chambray cotton fabric, this one. So almost, you know, looks a little bit like a denim, but it's, you know, got a slightly different weave. And yeah, you can see, you know, again, with it being 100% cotton, has a little bit more body and structure to it, but still beautifully soft, and yeah, would just be a lovely weight for the poppy dress. And I think would look very kind of classic in a plain chambray like this. And for me, that would be the sort of dress that would, you know, would get reached for time and time again, will go with everything. You could maybe have fun with like the button choice that you chose and maybe put some coloured buttons on or something like that. Yeah, it could be some like little shell buttons or something, would be really lovely. Next up, we've got another Minerva Core range, Minerva Exclusive base cloth. So this is our linen look cotton. So it's made from 100% cotton. It's 135 grams per square metre, which is light to medium weight. This particular design is called Wildflower Fusion, which is so pretty. It's absolutely beautiful, this one. But again, you know, it comes in hundreds and hundreds of different prints on our website. And we do actually do a linen look cotton in a plain core range as well. It's very similar. So with this fabric, you could be forgiven for looking at it and thinking, oh, that's a linen fabric, you know, it's got linen in there, because it has this linen look weave, you know, with the little slubs in it, but it's actually 100% cotton. So it's just something a little bit different. And yeah, again, you can see, you know, it's not as soft and drapey as those first fabrics, but it's still beautifully soft and has, you know, the perfect weight for the poppy dress. And yeah, I think that one will be really lovely. I just love that linen texture that you get in that fabric. And then the last fabric I've got to share with you, so I had to share with you a pure linen fabric because I think that will be gorgeous for the poppy dress, perfect for the summer months. This is our Minerva Exclusive soft washed 100% linen fabric. It's approximately 310 grams per square metre, which is medium to heavyweight, just falls, you know, into that category. It's 100% linen. This particular design is called Mosaic Verse, but again, it comes in, you know, hundreds of designs. And yeah, this one, it's 100% linen and it is a heavier weight, but it is a soft washed linen, meaning that it has more softness and more drape than what you would typically find with 100% linen. You know, some 100% linens are really crisp and stiff and structured, but this one isn't. This does have a beautiful softness to it. And with 100% linens like this, it is one of those fabrics that with washing and wearing, it does mould and shape to the body over time and becomes softer and softer with each wash and just with handle and wear. So yeah, I think that would be a beautiful dress, a beautiful fabric for the poppy dress. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, loads and loads of prints to choose from. And of course, we do have 100% linens and lots of linen blends in our Minerva core ranges on the website as well, if you want a solid colour. So that's all the fabrics I had to share with you today. I hope you found that really inspiring and it's give you, you know, loads of ideas on fabrics you could choose for the poppy dress. And do let me know, you know, what's your favourites in the comments, you know, what fabric are you thinking of for your poppy dress? I'd love to hear your ideas as well. As always in these videos, we'll tag everything that I've mentioned below the video. So, you know, the pattern itself and all the fabrics. So if you just head to the video on Minerva, you can click all those product links below and go direct to these product pages on Minerva where you can see, you know, the extra colours in the core ranges, you can see the pricing details and, you know, lots more information there on the website as well. And just to mention, here at Minerva, we do offer super fast, free, worldwide delivery as well. So wherever you're watching us from on this video, you know, we can send parcels of fabric and sewing joy out to you. And we do offer a sample service on all our fabrics as well. So if you just want to, you know, see it in the flesh first before committing to buy, that's no problem at all. We do offer all of our fabrics in increments as well. So, you know, you don't need to buy a full yard or metre. You can buy just the amount you need. So there's no wastage there. And we do offer a thread matching service on our fabrics as well. So thank you so much for watching. Like I say, I really hope you enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed picking out the fabrics for this pattern. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite, and I'll be back again soon with another video filled with sewing and fabric